Step into the historic masterpiece on 825 plus acres in West Virginia. This iconic property features a stunning three-story home with handcrafted woodwork, 5 spacious bedrooms, and 2 baths. The property boasts over a mile of waterfront on disappearing creek, 75 tillable acres, 158 acres of pasture, and 581 plus acres of woodland, perfect for farming, hunting, and outdoor adventures. With extensive forest trails, multiple freshwater springs, and utilities on site, the possibilities are endless. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.